Using a domestic vacuum cleaner to clean the ash from your fireplace, wood burner, stove or barbecue is a serious fire risk and should never be done. Draper's ash vacuum cleaners are designed to handle hotter temperatures, which could be hidden in seemingly cool ashes. We have added these essential ash cleaning products to our vacuum range. They're custom made for cleaning wood, coal or charcoal solid fuel ash. Using one of these is not only time consuming, but can be messy and hazardous too. Avoiding circumstances like this, the benefit of using an ash vacuum is that it's quick and safe. The high-performance 700-watt ash vacuum is simple and easy to use. The ash and fire debris is collected in the 22-litre metal container, which has no plastic parts, and with no collection bag, cleaning is easy too. Once full, simply unclip the airtight canister and empty. The cleaner is supplied with washable heat-resistant filters, 1 metre metal hose and crevice nozzle. Draper also offer a 20-litre ash can attachment to go on your own vacuum cleaner. This version is used as a filter between your vacuum and the ash, and it prevents hot cinders damaging your cleaner. Again, this model is supplied with a heat-resistant 1 metre metal hose and crevice nozzle. Remember, these aren't designed for hot embers, but for ash that looks like it's cooled. So stay safe with the Draper Ash Vacuum.